So I was recently contacted by my sister, and she is in dire need of help. She's like, girl, please help me, girl. These kids is driving me crazy. So I decided to come to Texas and help her out. So I am going to be starting off a 3-part series. In this series, I am actually going to help my sister make over her house. She has 4 areas in her home that she needs to convert, just change around actually, and make it a little bit better for her to move around and have space during this pandemic. So I'm coming to her rescue to help her out, guys. So let me just give you a quick run around on her house. So when you first walk into her house, there's the formal dining area, but right now she has a sofa in there and just kind of a catch-all area in the front entry of her house. Then you come to the back, and one of the rooms that she has is my nephew's nursery, but he's now 3, so he's getting older and is needing a toddler bed. And then my oldest nephew, he is 7, and he has moved to the old guest room, and now the guest room of course is being occupied. So we want to now make my youngest nephew's room her home office. So she has already kind of moved things around just to make it a little easier for me. But what I'm gonna do is go ahead, head over to her house, and I'm going to start in my youngest nephew's room that used to be my oldest nephew's, and then I'm just gonna start painting, and then I'm gonna move stuff around and just make it a little more functional for her. So come on, let's go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and head over to my sister's house and then just check out the space and start in my nephew's room. All right, so this right here is my nephew's bedroom. My oldest nephew right here, this is his first bedroom, and then now my little nephew Ethan, this is gonna be his new room. So we're gonna come in here and we're gonna paint this right here a dark blue down at the bottom, and then we're gonna change the pictures out in here. We start by taking everything off the walls and clearing all the stickers off the door, and then I move everything in the center and making sure to cover it all so no paint gets on there. I also paint the trim and then let my oldest nephew roll that dark blue color on the remainder of the walls. In the meantime, my sister is using this dry erase pad to clean the doors of all the crayon. So the top was already blue, we just painted the bottom a darker blue, and we are going to add artwork on the walls and get him his new bedding and get his closet organized. So we're gonna go in here and organize this too. So I will be getting all this stuff done. Hopefully I can get everything finalized and finished today so that I can surprise my nephews with a done room. When organizing any space, I like to clear out the closet and see what all I'm working with. In this case, I am using these bins that I got from At Home Store to add all his overflow items at the top, and then I'm going to remove all his clothes and make sure that they all are in the correct sizes and donate the ones that don't fit him anymore, and then put his jeans up here as well so my sister can find the clothes a bit easier. I am now adding the final touches to the space. I got these cute printables that I created and putting them in the frames. I am now going to make up the bed and add this cute robot top sheet on. And then I got these cute baskets over here from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to just put all his books on the bookshelf and put the toys, his extra toys, in those Dollar Tree baskets. Now I have my dad helping me with the last final touches. We're hanging the curtains and these cute little number and shape signs.
So Ethan's room is actually finished?
Yes, we are done. Alright guys, so we have finished my youngest nephew's bedroom, and he has seen the space and is loving it. So let me turn this around and show you what the room looks like. So we come in and then we gave him these ombre colors. So in here we wanted to do primary colors. So we did the red, blue, green, and yellow. So we just put it all around the room because he just loves colors. And then we did a robot theme. So now we have robots on his bed and a cute little robot over there. But yes, guys, this is the finished look of the space. Let me know what you think. Guys, what did you think about my youngest nephew's room? Did you like the space? Do you think he was happy with the space? I really love the primary colors and the look of it. And it seems like he likes it, guys. So give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment below and let me know what was your favorite part of the space and what would you like to see next on my channel, guys. Until next time, I'll see you later. Bye. My youngest nephew, he's trying to attack me, guys. He's trying to get me. But I will be working on his room in the meantime.